a forest found at the Central Research Laboratory of Hitachi Limited in Kokubunji City, Tokyo. There, waters spring from several locations, beginning with rain slowly soaking into the soil, forming an underground water vein, and then naturally returning to the surface as a freshwater spring. The amount of water varies by season, but at a high can reach 300 liters per second. The springs from the forest flow into a large pond called Oike. Oike displays a different view with each season and is a source of peace and comfort. It is also the home to many familiar animals, such as fish and birds. The spring water collected in Oike passes through a water gate to become a river. This is the source of Nogawa, or No River. Nogawa begins here in Central Research Laboratory and is fed by surrounding underground water sources and more water springs along the way before joining Tamagawa or Tama River near Futago Tamagawa in Setagaya, before eventually flowing into Tokyo Bay. There, the seawater evaporates and returns again to the earth as rain, forming water springs that flow into rivers. This is how the water cycle works in nature. Forests play a vital role in the water cycle. As forests help keep rainwater underground, they prevent the rainwater from surging into rivers and thereby function to stabilize water levels. Further, the rainwater that soaks into the ground and the soil filters it to remove dust and impurities, producing clean water. Spring water has been a close part of people's lives since ancient times. To prove this, numerous Jomon relics and clay vessels have been found around the Central Research Laboratory. Spring water was and is an essential part of our lives. Spring water, a valuable resource, and the forest at the Central Research Laboratory that nurtures that spring, teaches us the irreplaceable and priceless treasure that is nature.